why we study OB in our program? Why we study organization in master program? Organization behavior in master program.
Why
Yeah.
do we study
Yeah.
organization
Yeah.
master program
In master program.
in
In
master program?
Master program.
Yeah. We study organization because in the organization I have had, as I have said before, we have different people and with different behavior, then we must find the good means to 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 manage them so as to get a result in the organization. Too many heads. The first one, the first one, maybe let him ask his question and after he will come to answer.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Go.
The organization you said is to manage different people. Applying this to our class, what good means from professors, from our dean, from ourselves we can take in order to manage ourselves and to manage this big group of different nationalities, speaking different languages, having different ideas and opinions and experience and blah blah blah. What good means can you draw?
Anton, you understand this question?
Yeah.
Can you answer? Okay, thank you.
You mean like what are the benefits of it? Well, if you succeed in making this combination, then you will be much more successful in the future. And this book or this lecture actually gives you just a handout, just a reach to think of ways to get people connected.
Okay, thank you. Is it possible to link psychology with organization behavior?
Okay, can you speak up?
Is it possible to link psychology and organizational behavior?
Yeah,
Oh,
If
yeah.
yes, how can you link it together? How can I explain this kind of link?
Well, as I see it, like, did you read the first chapter?
Yes, I read, but you being presented.
Okay, well,
That's
as
why
I see
asked
it,
you
is that
this question.
that companies usually have facts and figures, and organizational behavior is not about facts and figures. It's about psychology. It's about physical behavior of people. So what this course tries to do, or what this organizational behavior tries to do, is to understand that people are not just facts and figures. You have to have the psychology side. Does it answer your question?
Yeah, it is fixed.
Okay.
Another question. Can I? Okay. You are talking about good and bad behavior. And if I understand what we said, we should promote good skills in organization. We know the drug dealers, they are constitute like organization. Do the fact of killing people is good or bad skill?
That's the ethic.
Huh?
That's not the organizational behavior problem. That's the ethic. Like if you are a good drug dealer, as for example, Holland, we are the #1 ecstasy exporters in the world. We have a very, very good organization. But the ethics, the products they trade, might be ethical, like an ethical problem.
As you know, in time of the organization, we have managers, we have right. So in this case, which one have to apply the organizational behavior? This is the manager, the employee to go. What should go? In time of the organization.
I can say both, but first of all, the decision comes from the manager. Because as manager, he has to implement, he has to take the good decision to manage the employees.